Hey, what's up guys? Matt here with Fix Anything Save Money. Today we've got another tool tutorial and demonstration for you. This is the Craftsman circular saw. This is the 5 3/8 inch model and it's model number CMCS505. I don't know if the camera will focus on that, but it's CMCS505 and it's the 5 3/8 inch circular saw. So in this video, we're going to be showing you the features of this, and then we're going to be doing a quick demonstration for you. So we'll get right into it. Like all my videos, I'll show you how to install and remove the battery. So to install the battery, you're just going to line up these grooves right here. Put the grooves in this housing, and then you're just going to push down till you hear a click. Okay. And then moving up the tool, we have our trigger here. So our trigger is locked by default. The only way we can operate this saw, we have to push down on this button right here and then pull the trigger. So you'll see that engages it, but without pressing down this, the trigger's not going to depress and allow you to start it. Okay, so then we have our Allen key right here. This is to remove and reinstall the blade on it, so we'll show you that. And then we have this button right here, which is our stop, so that we can actually remove this bolt, and we'll show you that. And then we have our little dust collector here. To install this, you just put it in and then twist it clockwise and you'll hear it click. Okay, and then to remove it, it's just a little quarter turn and you remove it. And then we have this lever here for the guard. This adjusts our bevel. So if we loosen it by twisting it this way, we can go all the way up to 50 degrees right here. And then down, all the way down is 0 degrees. So that's our bevel. And then on this side, if we loosen this, this is our depth. Okay. And now we'll show you how to install the blade. So like I said, we're just going to take this. This is kept right in here, like that. So we'll just pull our Allen key out. And I like to always remove the battery whenever I'm changing the blades out. And then I like to just kind of lift this guard up. And all we're going to do is press in this button. We're going to press in and hold on that button, and then we're going to remove this bolt. And to remove the bolt, to remove it, we're going to rotate it clockwise. And then to tighten it, we're going to go counterclockwise. So it's opposite how you're used to. So there's our bolt. Here's our little locking washer right here, and then just take note how that's shaped in the shape of this right here, so you can see how it goes in. Okay, and then we're just going to get our blade. This is the blade that comes with it. This is a Craftsman 5 3/8 blade, and what I like to do is just lift this guard up. And when you put the blade in, you can wear gloves when you do this so you don't cut yourself, but you're just going to slide the blade up through the guard, like so. And then you're just going to fit it into the pin like that. And then we're just going to take our little locking washer, put that on, take our bolt, and we're going to get it started. by rotating our bolt counterclockwise. Like I said, it's opposite what you're used to. And then we're just going to hand tighten that for now. We could bring our guard back down, and then we're going to press our button in on the top to lock the mechanism, and then we're going to tighten the bolt down the rest of the way. Okay. Could put our Allen key back. Put our dust collector back on. Okay. Then we'll put our battery in. And then when we push our button down, pull our trigger, our blade will engage. Okay. And for this, we're just going to make a straight cut with a 0-degree bevel. And we're just going to keep the shoe all the way up. And we're just going to show you real quick what that looks like. This is just a scrap 2x4 I have laying around. And be sure to check the links in the description. I'm going to put a link on where you could pick up this little circular saw. And then I'm going to put a link where you could pick up some real high quality blades for this. So be sure to check the links in the description and in the comments. They'll be the same links. Just check either the comments or the description if you're interested in picking this up, or if you're just interested in picking up a good high quality set of blades. Okay, so we'll move the camera over. And now you always kind of want to clamp down whatever you're going to be cutting. Just for this video, I'm going to hold it and do it with one hand. So we'll move the camera this way so you could see. And all we're going to do is push down on that button while we pull the trigger. And we're going to back our blade away from our material. We're going to get our blade running before we go into our material. And then we're going to make our cut. Okay. So you can see that cuts very, very nicely. And this is a brushed circular saw. It's not the brushless one. So you could pick these up for pretty cheap. Like I said, I'll put a link on where you can buy these. But since these are the brushed tools, they are, a lot cheaper. And you can tell it's brushed. If you pull the trigger, you could probably see the spark from the motor somewhere. Yeah, usually if you look in here while you're pulling the trigger, you could see the little spark from the brushed motor. So that's how you could tell whether or not a tool is brushed or brushless. But generally, the brushed tools are for DIY homeowner type people who aren't going to be using it every single day. And the brushless tools, which are more expensive, they're more durable. Those are more for professionals that are going to be using them every single day. So for your average everyday homeowner, I highly recommend just getting, the brushed tools. Save yourself some money, especially if you're not going to be using it all that often. So like I said, guys, link in the description on where you can pick up this. Then another link I'll put on where you can pick up replacement blades for this. If you guys have any questions, be sure to reach out in the comments section and I'll get back to you as soon as I can. Otherwise, yeah, guys, let me know if you have any questions. Check the links on where you can pick up this stuff. And yeah, thanks for watching. We'll see you next time.